Okon inherited 1 hectare or 60 plots of farming land from his father. He hired 10 other men to cultivate cassava on the land. The harvest was 40 tons of cassava. The price for cassava is unstable but yields about 2,500 naira per ton of cassava. So 40 tons per hectare gave him a total revenue of 100,000 naira. Considering salaries, fertilizer and other inputs, is it profitable for Okon and other young Nigerians to stay and farm or migrate to urban areas? Farmers are poor because their produce will not reach markets before they go bad and are poorly paid when they do sell. We must change agriculture. The APC will place food crops consisting roots, tubers, fruits and vegetables in the cash economy. The APC government will buy farm produce at a minimum guaranteed price while ensuring storage, processing and transportation is systematically done nationwide. Farmers who are sure of a certain income can now get loans, expand and employ more people. Vote change. Vote APC. Buhari Osinbajo.